Hello to everyone. We all can see what we've got today. Today is a simple thing we've got on this machine. A fast fill pump fitted. Unfortunately, the fast fill doesn't work, doesn't engage. By my testing, and now this video is a learning purpose for everyone. If somebody wants to do it, something themselves. Right. Panel is here. I already stripped it down. Panel sits here with the water bucket, and obviously the screen. Screen is here. Bucket is here. So all this bracket off. And now what we've got in here is a stack of valves. Some funny connections. Some of the machines, they have fast fill in here. One of them too. It is a single act valve, so have one of them coils, not two. There's two. This is twin act valve. Twin. All of them is twin. Single act looks like this one. One coil and blocked on another side. This one on that machine is a fast fill. So from this point we've got definitely a couple of things to check. First one is the power. If the power is going to the valve. Yeah. So now the power comes from here, goes to the loom, and is coming out in here to this little socket. Let me clean it. Can you read it? Fill pump. Or mechanical agitator. So this machine doesn't have mechanical agitator. It does have fast fill. So this cable, first thing is first, they all have in here, multimeter is screaming, they all have in here them little connectors, and on the end of the connector, this part, that part, is clear plastic. When it's engaging, the LED is flashing there. So this one actually, the LED doesn't work, or we can see it really. So good old multimeter, positive, negative, test it if there we have voltage coming out. Now, second thing is start the machine, undo this little cap. So one of them, you just unscrew it, take it off, and there is a piece of valve with that thread. Now on the end of that valve we have little, you see it? Yeah, you must see it. It's going into the valve. Yeah, if you press that, you engage in valve manually. So when machine is running, pump is running, everything is running, you press that, fast fill should start manually. If it's not starting manually, then we know from that point the problem is here, or the problem is on the motor. Two options. Now we come back to the first option, because that's the mechanical problem. Now we go into the electrics, which in this situation is the case. Electrics does work in here. Electrics go through the cable. Right guys, that doesn't help, yeah? If you disengage switch and you do something like that. Good job is negative. Yeah, good job is just a negative. But now, if that will touch this cable, the fast fill will start working. Because the power is connected, we're just missing ground, which machine is ground. So if that will touch, machine can be driven on the road and the fast fill will start. So remember, this cable make sure you've got that switch. I'll put it this way. Right, the cable is okay, it's passing the current and the power, so it's no problem. The problem starts and finished in here on the coil. The coil is not engaging. So if the coil is not engaging, the valve won't move the plunger and won't work. So I found the coil. I start taking it off, cutting it. Now this coil is solid. I'll show you. It's solid on the valve. It's not moving. So now how we taking this off without destroying the valve? If you try to unscrew it, you're gonna unscrew all that, which we don't want to do it really. So my way of doing that without destroying the valve and surroundings is the red devil. What I do, I just basically cut with a multi-tool across. So like the line goes across, I will be cutting to the end of it, right there. So all the way will be a cut. Now I will put the chisel into that, or screwdriver, pry bar it and slide it off. That's my way without destroying it. Then after that is just cleaning nicely all the valve shaft, put a nice grease and put the new coil. So that's the job for today. Little one, no problem. We turn up 10 o'clock on site, so hour later, I believe, without destroying anything and testing. Thank you.